A Cinque Terre boat tour is one of the most popular and beautiful ways to experience the 5 iconic villages: Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Riomaggiore in Italy's Liguria region. Here are the key details and what you can expect from these tours. Breathtaking views. The boat tour offers a unique and privileged perspective of the Cinque Terre National Park. You'll see the colorful, cliffside villages, which are UNESCO World Heritage sites, cascading down to the sea, a sight that is arguably more stunning from the water than from the land trails. The 5 villages. Most tours will cruise past all 5 villages. Monterosso al Mare, often the starting point, known for its large beach. Vernazza, famous for its natural harbor and colorful houses. Corniglia, the only village perched high above the sea, surrounded by terraced vineyards. Manarola, renowned for its cascade of multicolored houses emerging straight from the rock. Riomaggiore, the southernmost village, known for its picturesque panoramas. Swimming and snorkeling. A highlight of most tours is the opportunity to stop for a swim in the crystal clear waters, often at a secluded bay or beach that is accessible only by boat. Some tours may also include snorkeling, aperitifs and local treats. Many tours, especially the popular sunset tours, include an aperitif. This typically features local products like Ligurian focaccia wine or Prosecco sparkling wine. Small groups. Many operators, like the Cinque Terre Hybrid Boat Tour, focus on a more intimate experience with small groups, often limited to around 12 guests. Departure points. Common places to start a boat tour include Monterosso al Mare, Riomaggiore, Manarola, La Spezia or Porto Venere, for tours that include the Gulf of Poets and the islands of Palmaria, Tino, and Tineto. Tours are generally led by professional, local skippers and guides who share insights and history about the region. It's important to note that tours may be cancelled in case of bad weather or sea conditions. I hope you can enjoy the scenery around the boat tour Cinque Terre, Italy.
diciamo verso Vernazza. Ne saltiamo uno, Corniglia, e si trova a circa 100 metri sul livello del mare, appunto per ragioni di sicurezza bisogna vedere qui il lato Manarola, il circa della terza Corniglia, il Monterosso
For all my friends there, thank you very much for supporting me. And if you want, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? See you in my next content.